Studio. Yeah, show.
What is good, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your boy, The Real Flipstar, and I'm back with another video, man. Listen, I can't make too much noise right now because of my neighbors, you feel me? But we about to go to a crazy car meet right now. This shit about to be crazy, you feel me? If cops pulled up, you already know. We gonna dip the sea. We gonna be out of here, nigga.
What we doing? What we on? Fuck the police. They on nothing.
You see that baby right here, nigga? We outside, nigga.
Know this paper, never concerned, come and find me. Kept it to myself, cause they
And that's an Audi too. Audi gang. Audi super on fire. Which Audi is that, gang?
It's A3.
A3? My S4 is over there. That shit look clean, bro. A3, I be damn. If anything, that's not like A3, bro.
It's basically it came with the RS3 package, like literally
I peeped.
S3 bumper, fenders, back bumper, and I put the RS3 tips on.
You tune that bit?
Yeah, it's that thing too.
How many you pushing?
Right now I'm pushing 380.
380?
380 stock turbo.
Bad.
So.
Of course.
Stock turbo.
It's still an Audi at the end of the day. 380 is still fucking fast, nigga.
So it's full bolt on. Full bolt on.
Shout out your IG.
I think I just changed it, so don't blame me. Hold on.
You're good.
It's mqb.omar.
Yes, sir.
Got YouTube?
Yes,
You
sir.
log in? What is it?
The Real Flipstar all together. I gotta change my oil sensor level, man.
It's Audis, bro.
Yeah, no dipstick. So my shit is making me like keep telling me to turn off engine, check
it.
oil level, bro. Mind you, I already have one already.
doubt.
I just started my YouTube channel.
No doubt.
Perfect, bro.
I'm subscribing now.
Yes, sir. God bless,
I'll
bro.
shout you out, bro. Let me know.
My shit's right there, the blue one.
I got you, bro.
Drive safe, bro. Audi gang, you already know I got you, gang. Yes, sir. Let me see your look. Nah, niggas outside. We outside. Oh! I know, the bottom of the car. Nah.
Who they for?
Huh?
Who they for?
Oh, yo, what you doing to your Audi, gang? Is that okay if I record?
Who they for?
Alright. What you doing to that Audi, gang? Talk to me.
That's top secret, my boy.
Top secret?
Top secret.
No.
My neck.
Catalyst downpipe? I got a CTS downpipe with my shit too.
Shit.
And my Audi.
Drop
Drop
shit, G-Herbo.
Hold on. My boy pulled up on me with the G, son.
Fucking flex on them,
Talk to him, bro.
Yo,
Tell
man,
him how
we
it
live
is,
in the
nigga.
fact that we out here at the
How
car
much you
meet,
spend
word.
on that, nigga? What you do for a living,
Yo,
sir?
listen, everything.
Tell them
listen,
everything. Yeah, put that on, nigga. Everything, nigga.
everything.
Bitch, everything.
Talk to me.
My boy's supposed to teach me how to ride a bike, so I'm waiting on him soon.
Nigga say you got no
They say you supposed to teach me how to live with.
Yo, bro, you should have came with us today, bro. We was lifting today.
We got to the gym tomorrow if you're free.
He's a
busy.
monster. Yo, we gotta slide. I gotta slide. I gotta make time, bro.
Say no
Hell
more.
yeah.
On that money, bro. I gotta make
I know.
time, bro.
Say no more.
I gotta make time, bro.
But this motherfucker about to get, you see how he look like little right now? In like a week, bro?
Bro,
Yeah, baby.
Little. No, right now,
bro,
compared to what he was.
he got generational strength. Strong before he knew he was strong.
Shit.
Fuck.
Nah, this is funny, bro.
When that nigga tried to do a backflip one day, he realized he could do it. It was over.
Bro, I
That's
thought he
it.
about to do that shit.
See, man, a nigga like me, man, I love the game. I love the hustle, man.
Bro, I
That's
swear to
it.
God, bro, I thought he about to
Yo, this nigga's going crazy,
Guys,
son.
with him, bro. You can do anything, bro. This is this place, bro.
Yeah,
Get out
bro.
here.
Shout out your IG.
Oh yeah, romance ___ 15 underscores. It's romance _ 15 times.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, to eat, bro. Hell yeah. Out here, you heard? All right, bro. Be sucking.
Sun's out. G-Wagon, nigga.
Fuck they talking.
Oh! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
Hell yeah, bro.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh my God! That shit don't know what total control is, nigga. Oh, you about to get that Honda over there, son. Get that shit out of here. Ah, damn. I don't know what that is, but something. Oh! Who the fuck is doing that shit?
It's a boat ride. It's a boat ride. Take care.
Hold on. Talk to him, Berg.
Jesus Christ.
My God! What the fuck? Bro! No fucking way, bro! Oh! Adam! Oh! Shit! Nah! Oh no! What the S5 gonna do? Huh? Show my audience king, nigga. On S4, that's crazy.
Bro, what the fuck is going on right now?
Nah. My heart, son. That's so deep. No, he asked me to move, so I moved.
William, move your head. Look at the size of that boy's head. Shh. I'm not kidding, it's like an orange on a toothpick.
You gotta give the boy
On a toothpick.
You gotta give the boy a complex.
Well, that's a huge noggin. It's a virtual planetoid. Has its own weather system. Heed, move!
Say no more. 5-cylinder. I'm debating between an RS3 or RS5 for my next whip.
Don't get an RS3. You're gonna dump so much money in it.
For real? Is the RS5 better?
So you definitely.
Bet.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck. I don't deal with this shit, bro. I drive this like once.
His Audi is awesome. damn faster than ours, bro.
Yeah, I know.
And this shit tuned up. And he got the slick tires too. Totally. We need bucket seats, bro.
This color is crazy.
It is with the bear kits too. That shit hard.
I'm gonna do it.
Boy, what we on?
Bikes, man.
Yo, you gotta get in front of me, bro. You the star.
Son,
Hell yeah.
it's fucking cold, nigga.
Shit, you ain't that cold. Hell yeah.
You see why I need my car at full power, bro?
Let's talk to one of these. This shit fire too.
On me or something? Look at
Hell yeah. What's stupid? What's stupid?
Listen, my car is not 100, alright? Once I get my tune and be outside, nigga. Yo, oh shit. What's good, bro? How you been, man?
Chillin'.
Where you with at?
Yo, bro, I'm writing this tonight.
Writing this tonight? This is you?
Yeah.
Tell them what you got, man. Tell them your gram. Tell them where you from. Get in talk to them.
Big Zo, you know, we outside.
Let them know what you drive, man.
Got the beam tonight.
You got the B? Yes, sir. God damn, this Mustang going crazy.
2 hours later.
The color, too, of the light.
All right, we rolling, my boy. We're rolling. What we doing? What we on? Fuck the police. They on nothing.
Shit, nigga.
We out.
Keep recording, nigga. We outside, nigga. Let's get the car.
Yeah, we out here.
Nigga run, nigga flew, nigga tore his shirt in two. Run, a paddy roll, look at you. Run, nigga, run, well, you better get away.
We out here, nigga. We out here. We out here. Fuck yeah. Well, not anymore. What do I do? Turn that light off or keep working on it?
Turn the light off. Turn it off.
We're still rolling. Hell yeah, we're rolling.
This is bad, bro. My shit won't start, bro. Start the camera.
Me. Help me. Nigga. Help me.
I don't care who you roll with, still can't get beside me. All my niggas gonna check 'em, I ain't talking about no Nikes. Counting all this paper, never concerned, come and find me. Kept it to myself, cause they all did me grimy. I don't care who you roll with, still can't get beside me. All my niggas gonna check 'em.